What if I told you that some of the cutest skirts you'll ever see don't come from a store? They come from things people almost threw away. Today I'm sharing 50 plus ideas for upcycling and making skirts from everyday clothing and fabric, plus simple skirt pattern inspiration that shows just how creative sewing can get when you stop thinking store-bought and start thinking what if. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and some of them are so clever, it's going to change the way you look at your closet forever. As you watch, keep track of your favorite ideas and vote in the comments because I want to know which ones stand out to you the most. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can review these skirt ideas and patterns, save inspiration, and explore even more creative sewing transformations. These are the kinds of ideas that prove you don't always need new fabric or expensive supplies. Sometimes you just need a fresh way to look at what you already have. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning skirt style in my own version right here on MIZ ANGELA SAWYER. Let's jump into these 50 plus skirt ideas and see which ones spark your creativity the most. When you watch skirt transformations like these come together, it becomes clear that making clothing is not just about sewing techniques. It is about mindset. Resourcefulness is what turns ordinary fabric into something expressive, wearable, and completely personal. Most people think they need brand new fabric, perfect patterns, or professional equipment before they can create anything meaningful. But the truth is that creativity often begins with what is already available. An old garment that no longer gets worn is not the end of its story. It is just waiting for a new shape, a new purpose, and a new way to be seen. When you start looking at clothing this way, you begin to notice how many possibilities are already sitting in your home. A shirt can become structure, a dress can become panels, even fabric scraps can become design details that completely change the final look of a skirt. The process is less about having everything perfect and more about being willing to experiment. That willingness is where confidence grows. Every adjustment teaches something, every imperfect cut becomes information, and every finished piece builds trust in your ability to figure things out as you go. Over time, you realize you are not limited by what you own. You are expanded by how you think. That shift removes pressure and replaces it with curiosity. Instead of asking if you have the right tools, you start asking what you could try with what you already have. Making skirts from upcycled materials becomes less about fashion alone, and more about seeing value in things that were almost forgotten. It is a reminder that transformation is always possible when you are willing to engage with the process instead of waiting for ideal conditions. And once you experience creating this way a few times, it becomes easier to trust your instincts and take creative risks without overthinking every step. As you continue through these skirt ideas, what stands out most is how much creativity grows when you stop waiting for perfect conditions and simply begin. Every idea shown here is a reminder that transformation does not require expensive tools, only a willingness to try. It is often the small adjustments, the simple decisions, and the willingness to experiment that lead to the most surprising results. When you start creating with what you already have, you begin to realize how much possibility has been sitting around you all along. That shift turns simple materials into meaningful expression, and it builds confidence through action instead of hesitation. One of the most powerful parts of working with upcycled materials is realizing that limitations often become the starting point for better ideas. When something is imperfect or not quite what you expected, it forces you to think differently instead of relying on a preset outcome. That is where originality comes from. You stop copying and start problem solving in real time, and that process builds confidence based on experience rather than perfection. The more you experiment, the more you learn that mistakes are part of shaping something new, not signs of failure. Over time, you begin to trust your ability to adjust and adapt even when things do not go according to plan. That is where real creative growth begins to feel natural and consistent. If you are enjoying this kind of inspiration, make sure to like and subscribe to Ms. Angela Sawyer for more ideas that turn everyday creativity into something meaningful. There are also tutorial videos linked below that can help you explore simple techniques and spark even more inspiration for your own projects. Keep watching because there is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I will see you there.